So 3 days, this application on the web didn't exist, which means I used Antigravity to finish it in 3 days. And look at the result. I think it looks pretty good. Only thing I don't like is this icon is really ugly, which I plan to change it very soon. And I actually chose this name Yapivo or Yapivo because originally I wanted to do Yapify, but that thing cost 30K. And I was like, there's no way that's gonna happen. So I just settled for the cheap $11 version. I mean, maybe I made a mistake, but hey, that's a decision I had to make. Anyways, I made this voice transcription tool to help out with replacing typing with speaking. I figured it's more natural, especially working with AI agents like Antigravity, which I use to create this. And now I use it all the time. If we long press function button, you can actually see on the screen it's listening. And right now my cursor is not pointing anywhere, so it's not gonna paste anything. But it's still listening, so there's that. So here we can actually test it on the web. First, allow permissions, and now we can talk about how amazing this thing is. Look at that. Perfect. So the reason I made this is because I got tired and annoyed of just typing a bunch. It gets pretty annoying, so I figured why not speak and make it a lot faster. And let me tell you, it helps a lot, especially with working with AI agents. It makes it a lot easier. Plus, I don't have to keep, deleting any typos or, fixing mistakes. Speaking, and that's it. I did set up a paywall using WAP for processing payments, but that deserves a video in the future because it gets a little bit more complicated. And you can actually download the application, which I am currently fixing. So it should be fixed. I was having issues with the application being bigger than 100 megabytes. So I have to upgrade to a pro version so I could upload it. But I believe hosting it on GitHub should work. So that's the next step for testing this.